Yo, this shit ain't right. Look at that. Listen. This is 95, yo. All these cars have no idea that it is slippery rain out here, and they're all speeding and slamming on their brake, and it is too late. More trailer, yo. Check this shit out, yo. Check this out, yo. Yo! Jesus Christ, yo! What is going on? Yo! 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 Oh my God, yo! What the hell, man? See all that smoke? Yo, that was a trailer that fell between those bridges and is on fire. And that more trailers are still coming. Look at that. Look at that trailer coming. Have no idea what is happening out here. Have no idea what is happening out here. The whole 95 is on fire. Jeez, the whole 95 is on fire. This is towards Washington Boulevard. My car couldn't even move. It's right here. But on the other side of the road, look, this is it. Another tractor trailer slamming on the brake and going right into the fire. Right into the fire. Somebody call 911 out here. Right into the fire, and it's more tractor trailer. This is a disaster. A disaster, Lord. Oh my God, yo. I'm about to cry. What is going on? Oh my God. I hope these guys are okay. I really do. I really do. I hope they are okay, Lord. That is the first. This car is on fire. It flames. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That's another trailer. Luckily, this one stopped, but they're going right into the fire. Can see all the black smoke there? Oh my God, look, that is a cloud. Black smoke, black smoke. This is not right. Oh my God, stop, stop! Oh God, God, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I've already called 911. I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to call 911 again. Oh Lord. I hope these guys are okay.